Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with Krups coffee maker. This machine was brought in because the power switch wasn't working, and so we replaced it, and here it is. Took us a while to find it, and yeah, so it's on and heating and working once again, and we'll do a test shot. Let's see. Pressurized gasket, there we go. Pressurized, so it's going to keep dripping for a minute, but working just fine. So here, probably do some steam real quick. Purge the water first. There we go. Alright, there you have it. Krups turning on once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.